Welcome to a quick Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on deleting user profiles from your Netflix account. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. If you are starting on the Who's Watching page of Netflix, then tap the Manage Profiles button. If you are already signed in to a user profile, you can get there by clicking your profile image at the top right of the screen and then selecting Manage Profiles. Now select the profile you want to remove. In the options for that user, select Delete Profile from the bottom. Click Delete Profile again if you are sure you want to permanently delete it. This will delete their history, lists, ratings and activities forever. That user profile has now been deleted. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Netflix tips and tricks.